All right, good evening or good night. Welcome to the end of the review for today. For today, we do this review or this episode a little bit late. Normally, we do right after the market close, but today we do late, so that's a full disclosure right there. Anyway, so today is October 21st, Monday 2024. And this week we have full, 520 day of this week. And we don't have any huge impact new. We may have some consumer, sentiment right there this Friday. Other than that, nothing special. But we next week we will have the GDP data on Wednesday, and then Tuesday will be our Thursday will be the PCA data right there. So there's the GDP data. It will be October 30, and the PCA gonna be PCA will be October 31st. We don't have any Fed meeting for this month, but next month we will do, and the end of the year. By the way, we are week 43, so we are in earnings season, reporting season. So this week and next week we're gonna have a huge reporting from 7 big company. It's called Magnificent Seven, which is basically Tesla, Netflix, Meta, which is Facebook, Apple, Google, Microsoft, so on and so forth. So 7 of them, I think, Nvidia also. Anyway, go to that's the event, economic event for review for today. But today is Monday, and you can see that the markets move very, very good. It get a good move very smooth. So if we catch smooth, we are in a good shape for today. We did some good trade, and we also make some. We have some lesson we need to learn also. Like keep everything positive right there. Yeah, we do make bad trade, and that's where we learn. And let's look at the charts. All right. So here's the right there. So at 9:14, right, we see this setup. So we see that this is a leg down, right, and then we have retracement right here, and then boom, we have a second leg down. So right here is gonna be a reversal or retracement. That's our anticipation right there. And we did, do analysis right there. Very interesting, very key lesson we learned. Alright, keep in mind that we use this ICT price delivery theory or model. So this is the wheel right there to determine the direction of bias, right? We need to know the bias, based on the information that the market provides to us, so we can make a informed decision. It not always correct, but at least it give a better probability to check the trade. And this is the true rule that we observe. Right? And today we can see that This rule right here, the reversal to reversal, back to back, we haven't seen that before. But today, that may be a exception to this rule. Yeah. So maybe this rule is not holding for today. Normally, before today, we thought this rule is absolutely. So it's only 100% false. But today, it may not be the case. Or it may be something else. But anyway, we notice this, and then we can modify this rule, or we can solidify. But maybe we need more case study. But today is one exception, right? So basically, let's see. All right, here's what we saw. So here's our directional bias based on this theory. So we saw this at a reversal. So basically, we see a swing, right? Expansion, retracement, expansion, or then it becomes retracement right here. So we wonder if this consider a expansion, if we just do a stop run right there. So that's still very, very subjective right there. So basically, right move right here, we see that we consider this as a reversal, which right here, swing, right, expansion, right here, retracement, expansion, and then it goes to retracement, expansion, and a reverse. So that we call as a reversal. If we think that way, then right here it's going to be retracement, and then here is another expansion, which is second leg down. Then then right here we have two possibilities. It's going to be retracement or reversal. Basically, you're going to retrace up here and make another leg down. That's called retracement. But if reverse right there, it go back all the way up here, then we can label them at a reversal. That is, first in the morning when we open the chart at 9:15. That is our thinking. And let's look at the daily. So the daily we saw the setup right there. So basically we see it's break, test from above, and reverse. That's what we see, and it may go down to the level 68 right there. That is our anticipate. Let's put some note right here so we can see. Yeah, we strict the level right here. You see the level that we marked, 58.95. That's the key level. So that's what we, and below that you see the daily level right there. So let's go back there. See the level right there? We didn't mark the daily level, but it's just right there. I think it's level right there. So basically, it's gonna be a type 2 type 2 reversal on the daily time frame, right? Right there, we put is a type 2 reversal. Let's see. Yeah, let's put some verbiage in here so make sure we are on the same page. Basically, it's gonna be test from below. Right, and then it break it. and then it's reverse. So we anticipate it's gonna reverse, which is it's gonna sell off, reverse. It's gonna be a reverse day right there. Monday. What's this? Reverse right there. And the level right here, we see it will be a full breakout at the level 58.95. 50 right there, the purple right level right there. And that will be a reversal type 2. First is test from below, and then you have break it, and number 3, step 3 is gonna reverse it. Know that the targets, my target at the level right there, which is 58.68.25. 25 right there, that's the level. And that is our trade idea right there. Short them. Let's save this one. Alright, that's our write-up when we see it at 8 right there. We see that it's gonna be a reverse right there, reversal there right there, right? Based on the set of reversal type 2. What is reversal type 2? Let's look at our playbook or the set of. So there are two types of reversal. Type 1, which is break and then test and then reverse. But for type 2, it's test first, it break and it reverse. So that's the type 2 which we see that on the daily time frame today. Alright, break and then test from above and reverse. That is exactly we see today. Alright, and let's see how it's play out right here, our idea, right? So we anticipate that right here it's gonna make a retracement or reversal. Alright, so when is progress at 8:20? Yeah, so at 8:16 for that matter, we see this setup. So it's become a retracement. Right, it become a retracement. The reason why we don't expect it to be a reversal, because we thought that no, it can be a reversal, right? Because it's already make expansion and it can reverse from here. Alright, so it both either retracement or reversal. And when it come out, actually when it right here, we're thinking about engage, but we thought, wow, it's just a retracement, so it may get sell off. That's why we did engage. That's the reason right there. Alright, let's see how it's play out right here. At first we thought that maybe it hit that level and then it's gonna be retrace. You see that right before 9:30 right there. Now it's 9:30. Yeah, when we see that, we thought that we're going to go short them. I think we did go short right there. We thought that it's going to be resist right there, so it's going to be retracement. I think we did engage right here. Let's see the trade that we took. Yeah, when we see that flip, we go in and we short right there. Yeah, we short them. I think we short them first. Right, we short them first. When we saw flip, we short them. We thought they're gonna be a retracement here. We don't anticipate it's gonna reverse down here, so thus we go short, and then it doesn't work out. Let's see.
Order filled.
Yeah, so the first trade right there, we short them when we flip, but we make mistakes, right? We should let this play out. Why we should wait for an 9:30 to play out? The reason we need to let the 5:30 play out, because right here, right, if about 9:30 is around here, then we have a reason to trade here, trade the expansion move right here. But if at 9:30 is at this location, where it's open way below the 18, then I think we need to let it play out and then see. By the way, we did not see the setup right here. It's a beautiful setup right here, and we did recognize that. Let's see what setup it does. Do it look familiar to you? It's a type 1 reversal. Yeah, it's a type 1 reversal right here. Breaks, test from below and reverse. This is the type 1 reversal we're talking about right there. See that? Break, test from below at the level and then reverse. But right here we have more than one test. It tests twice, 2 times right there. That means the reversal right here, expansion move, is very explosive. I mean, at first we don't see that. That's the reason why we wonder why is the reversal so explosive. We underestimate, but if we don't miss this setup, then we can see the reason why it is explosive, and that gives us the idea that we need to wait for an 9:30 forming. So we a little bit too early right there. And let's see what else we make mistakes so we can learn.
Order
right
filled.
Okay, so right there we try to jump in, we go long. There is a FOMO trade right there. And let's see. And okay, so what is okay? First we short and then we go long. Okay. This is the FOMO trade right there. Because right here, we have to wait for the retracement, but FOMO, we want to catch the next move, make move up, which it mistake. It should be a retracement right here. Yep. Let's see, we go along and then we turn to short again. Right, it didn't hit that, so we turn to short right there. And I think we make mistake right here when we increase the size right there. That's the huge mistake. See that? We turn to short again and we short them again, and then boom, we got stop out. And then right here we chase long. Yeah, we thought that, okay, that's our mistake right there. Yeah, so we make a couple of mistakes, couple of lessons written right there. If we patient, then we can see the setup coming right here. So let's it move right there, and now we can see. Yeah, let's it play out, and now we can see what's up right here.
Order filled.
Test from below, break and reverse. Yes. Right here, it gives us the idea right there. You see the flip. Yes, that's the flip right there. Yes, that's the flip right there, and you can see that. Test from below, break and reverse. That's type 2 right there, and it rate the London, and we anticipate right here it have to be retraced right here. But the thing that we didn't know that right here it reversed. It not only retraced but it reversed. So if we count right here at reverse, then right here it cannot be reversed. But today it shows that it can reverse also. But anyhow, if we look at the chart right here, you can see the beautiful setup right there. If we count at the level or we count at the 930 level, we still have a beautiful setup. Let's go with the 930 level. You can see that, right? It goes to that level also. Right here, you can see the high of 275. So what setup we see? We see test from below, break and reverse. That's type 2 right there, and also we have the bicycle rate right there. See the type 2 right there? It test, break and reverse right there. Yeah, that's the screenshot we took right there. And that's the setup. We use this level or this 930 is the same idea. Yeah, that's reverse of type 2 right there. You see that? Test from below, break and reverse. We didn't know that this reverse right here because we already count here reverse, so it should not reverse right here. We thought it should be retracement, but it can make reverse back to back right there. That is an exception. Later on, if we have more data, we can make a modification right there on the rules right there. Yeah, basically very beautiful setup right there. It's reverse type 1 right here. If we catch it move, we have a huge gain right there. And here's a reversal type 2 right there. We did catch this trade, but you know what? We get out too early. That look the trade we make right there. Yeah, here's the trade we took right there, but you see that we set M for the low of this candle. The reason why we make mistake right here, we exit the trade early. You see that? Yeah, we got out. The reason why, because we only anticipate right here it's gonna retracement. We never thought that it's gonna be a reversal. because based on this theory, it will never have reversal back to back. So that is the reason why we don't let our winner run, because we thought that it will be just a retracement. Another thing that we didn't see the setup at that moment, which is a short setup reversal type 2 right there. We didn't say it in the real time, but when we look back, we see that. Where's the I think it's right here. Yeah, we didn't see that setup after the fact. So on that moment when we check this trade, our mind is just, thinking about the loss and try to get it back. So we get distracted. Basically, we let the fear consume it right there. But if we calm down and we can see that the setup right here, and then we can let our winner run. And also now we learn that it can be reversal, back to reversal, because we thought that it only retracement, but actually it reversed all the way. You see that? We thought that okay, it reversed right here, it will not reverse right here, it will not back to back. But today is an exception to that rule. Yeah. Is there any way we can interpret, can label this as not a reversal? Oh, maybe we say that is a consolidation. It may not, right? Consolidation, no, it's not consolidation, because it makes, if this consolidation, then this reversal makes sense. Consolidation, expansion, and reverse. But if we have reversal right here, boom, reversal again, it does make sense, following this rule. But maybe it's just a exception rule for today. So we'll find out. But our mistake is that we should let that winner run right there. And also right here, we did come in very good. But we make mistake that we get out early. Let's see that trade right there. I think it's around 11:30. Let's see that. Yeah, here's the trade we go long. Right, we just M right there. But actually, if we M right here at the high of the candle, it will go all the way there. And makes sense based on the CRT candle range theory. When it fell to break the low of the candle, you see that? That's why we aggressive, we go in early with the side 10 contact right away. Yeah, at first we thought, we may get it wrong. But eventually it moves to our direction very strong. See that? We just M right there. So we just M right there at 77 right there. But let it run, it will go all the way at this high of this candle. And by the way, if that, we have to sit through the retracement. Yeah, we just M of 7 right there, 77. But if we let it run, it's gonna go that candle. That's the second lesson we learn right there. So, yep. By the way, we see that on the daily time frame, I anticipate that they're gonna go and test it level. You see that? it tests that, you see, right? It tests above, and then it's gonna be break the level. That is our anticipator right there. Let's take a good night sleep and come back tomorrow to see if we will be right on that. It will. Alright, I think that's it for today. We are grateful for this opportunity, and we do what we love, and success coming our way day by day, little by little. We're getting better and better. Have a good night, and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.